Sean Parker joins us now with a look at your first forecast.
Sean, it was kind of windy out there, wasn't it?
It sure was, but like we've been seeing over the last week or so, winds continue to push through western Colorado. We could call it wind season as things really start to pick up as we get these springtime systems coming through over and over and over again, and it really looks like next week isn't going to be any different. But right now we have some cloud cover coming into the area, and it's bringing rain and snow showers across much of the state right now. You look at I-70 by the Eisenhower Tunnel, snow covering the roadways, but we're only looking to about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall out of this particular system. It's going to get out of here, and it's looking like it's going to be a mostly sunny Saturday, Sunday. What's tomorrow? Sunday? Yes. All right. I've lost track of days here. But over the next couple of hours, we're going to see the rain start to taper off as we head towards the morning hours, and we should be in the 30s all night long, and we're going to open up the day in the 40s tomorrow and should warm up nicely to 60s. But we'll talk about the full weather forecast in just a second, guys.
All right, thank you, Sean. And I can confirm
Live weather with Sean Parker.
All right, Sean's in now, and Sean, we have a brand new mascot, thanks to the wind. The giant tumbleweed that blew right up against our building.
Yeah.
Oh, I tried to hold that thing above my head. I kind of look like a tree.
It is taller than Lindsay Eaton.
This big.
It really is.
That big.
The thing's enormous, and they've been blowing around all week long, and they're still blowing right now. And in Grand Junction, it is 48 degrees. Winds are out of the north at 8, gusting to about 15 to 20 miles per hour. How about in Montrose? Also 45 degrees. Winds are out of the northwest at 7 miles per hour. How about in Glenwood Springs? 40 degrees. Winds are out of the east-southeast at 3. And in Aspen, it is 28. Winds are gusting pretty strong out of the north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. Now, this is what we're going to be seeing nationally as we zoom in. Large storms brewing over the southeast. Now, this was our storm that brought the mountains some significant snowfall earlier this week. And now another system is on the way. Well, it's already pretty much here, bringing about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall tonight in portions of Aspen and Pitkin County, and then another 4 to 8 as we go through the day tomorrow. Now, what we're going to be seeing as we zoom in a little bit closer here, rain falling in portions of Mesa County and Montrose County, snow falling in portions of Pitkin County, and you can see the heavy snow just to the south of Parachute continuing to push to the east in Mesa County. Now, this is causing some problems on the roadways on I-70 from Grand Junction all the way to Denver. We saw the CDOT cams before already with a well-defined coating of snowfall on the ground. Now, what we're dealing with in Grand Junction, rain getting out of the area. Rain just to the north of Grand Junction on top of the Book Cliffs, and things are going to be clearing out as we head towards tomorrow, and these mild conditions are going to stick with us throughout much of the overnight hours and to start your day. 48 degrees in Grand Junction, maybe not that warm when you wake up, but it's still going to be mild. 45 in Montrose, 28 in Aspen, rest of the region, 40 in Salt Lake City, 45 in Flagstaff, 59 degrees in Albuquerque. Now, this is what we're going to see as we head through the night tonight. We have the cloud cover around now. All the precipitation is going to continue to push off to the east, and some snow is going to develop in Pitkin County, but that's really just about it. And look at it when we wake up in the morning. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock, it's going to be beautiful. Nothing but clear skies, and our temperatures are really going to reflect that. But as we head through the day, the clouds come back, but I don't suspect any snowfall out of it. Now, this is our forecast temperatures tonight, 48 degrees at 11 o'clock. We put this into motion throughout the night. We drop just around the freezing mark, and then we're going to continue to go through the day. We're only going to warm into the 50s, but normal daytime highs for this time of year are in the 60s, and judging by how cool it's been, I'll take the high 50s for now. Now, if you're doing any traveling across western Colorado tomorrow, this is what you can expect. 3 o'clock, by no means daytime high temperatures, 52 in Grand Junction, 50 in Palisade, a mix of clouds and sun with some precipitation lingering over the high country, but we'll get to that in a second. Delta in Montrose, 54 in Delta, 52 degrees in Montrose, swinging up into the Roaring Fork Valley. We're going to be seeing some more snowfall coming in the way, about 2 to 4 inches in Pitkin County, 34 degrees in Glenwood Springs, and 30 in Aspen. Rest of the day tonight, 36 degrees. Tomorrow warming up just below 60. Next 3 days look like this. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow. May not look like that in the picture, but there's a mix of clouds and sun, and then a big system comes through on Monday. Another chance for some mountain snow. 61 on Tuesday, 56 on Wednesday, with another chance of some rainfall. So we get one system right after the other, but it's broken up by a day of sunshine. Not too bad.
And certainly some chilly nights still to deal with here.
Oh yeah, we're going to hover right around freezing.
All right, thank you, Sean.
Sure. Well, Jason needs to take a